Hi YouTubers, I'm Dylan, and in this video I'm going to show you all how to draw Ferb Fletcher from Phineas and Ferb. So get your favorite pencil, a good piece of paper, let's get started. Ferb is basically a series of tall shapes. His head is basically like almost a triangle of some sort. It gets small at the bottom, but a little wide at the top. And then for the bottom of the rest of his body, it's basically this kind of upside down U shape or a half of a tube shape of some sort. And then we need to plan out where his legs are going to go. And then we also need to plan out where his arms are going to be. He's going to have one arm up, and that arm's going to be like pointing. Okay, and then we need to divide his face into a few sections. This will be where his mouth, this will be for the nose, and this is where his eyes will be. And then we got to put a center line on here to know where the middle of his shirt will be. Okay, so now that we've broken that down, let's start by drawing his nose. And his nose, remember, it's almost square-like, and it's not shaped like a triangle like Phineas's nose. Okay, and then you're going to draw this upper line. This will be the bottom of his nose, and this is his upper lip, which is basically like a sideways V, and then it goes halfway down like this, and then right up here, this will be the back side of his head. Okay, now that we've gotten that down, we're going to draw his eyes. And his eyes are circles, not perfectly round ones. If you struggle with drawing perfectly round circles, this is your lucky video, because we are not drawing perfectly round circles for his eyes. This eye will be a little smaller. And then we're going to draw another eye, which is going to be a larger circle. And then you're going to draw two other circles inside the eyes for the pupils. And then you're going to draw another circle inside for the highlights. And then you're going to get this back side of his head. And then we got to draw his ear. And like I always say, draw lightly at first, but when you have the lines you want for the final piece, you darken them up. So you're going to draw this backward C for his ear, and then you're going to draw number 3 inside for the inner ear. And then you're going to draw one more line up here. This is going to be the upper part of his head, and then right on top, we got to draw his hair. So it's It's not anything like Phineas's, it's longer. And then you're going to draw another zigzag that's slightly smaller. You're going to get that line. Then you're going to bring this point all right, and then you're going to draw another point and bring that down. Then you're going to draw another point right here. Okay, so we got that. And now we need to draw his body. So we're going to start with the collar of his shirt. It's going to be a straight line. Then you're going to draw two different kind of V shapes that go like this. Creates a almost like a shark jaw shape. Okay, so we got that. Now we're going to throw in his shirt. So you have one sleeve that's going to be up like this, and then you have another sleeve that's going to go down right here. And then we are going to finish off this sleeve, and then you can draw right below it sort of a almond shape like this. And you can draw it lightly because we got to put a arm drawing out of it. Here's one side of the shirt, then very lightly draw. This will be the upper part of his pants. Draw another sideways triangle right here. And then right in the middle, you're going to draw a V shape that goes like this. Then connect it to this side. And then we need to draw the other sleeve, which is going to go like this as well. Okay, so now that we got that, we need to get the other side of the shirt. And then right up here in the middle, there's a circle for the button. Okay, and then right after this, we need to draw the rest of his body. So you're going to bring this curve down here. You're going to connect this side down as well. Okay, now that we got that, we're going to draw two different leg pieces that will come out. And you're going to draw the middle of his legs. And then we need to draw the sleeves that are rolled up, which are two small rectangle shapes. And then right up here, we're going to put some detail of squares to make it look like it's sort of a belt or like belt loops on his pants. So we'll draw that, then draw another one like this. And now we are going to put in his feet. So we're going to draw two skinny shapes that go like this on both sides. You're going to draw another one. And then you're going to draw sleeves that that are actually his socks. And then right here, you're going to draw his shoes, which are going to go like this. And then we are going to get in his other shoe. And for the shoes, we need to draw a line, that curve that follows the bottom, like this. And then we have to draw the top side of the shoes that go like this. And then we can shade his shoes in because they're black. And remember to always use the side of your pencil and not the tip, because you'll hurt your hands and your pencil. Okay, so we got that. Now we're going to draw his hands and arms. So we'll darken the top curve of this sleeve here. Then, just like Phineas and most of the other characters, he has skinny arms that go like this. And he has 3 fingers and a thumb. So you'll draw one finger here, another one here, and then you draw the other one that will go just like that. And then we're going to draw his other hand and arm, which is going to be pointed up. So you're going to draw this kind of U shape, and then you're going to draw another one that goes behind it. And then we are going to draw 2 of these lines here. Then for this one, you can make almost like an upside down number 6 shape. That's going to be his thumb. Draw a line there for the palm. And then you're going to draw a finger and another one. And then you're going to draw another one that's pointing. Okay, so now that we got that, let's grab an eraser and get rid of some of the construction lines we put, including these. Just get rid of anything that's light inside or outside your dark lines. Get rid of anything that doesn't belong in the picture. If you've watched Phineas and Ferb, you'll know what Ferb looks like and know what's not included in his appearance. I'm going to grab another one. And there you go. That is Ferb Fletcher. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, subscribe for more, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.